This is a customer's tree. His name is Raphael, and he asked me to repot this tree and also to bring it back into shape. Right now the tree looks like a bush versus a bonsai, and also the tree is really leaning this way, okay? So I'm trying to, when I repot it, I'm going to make sure to reposition it and change the angle of the tree a lot. Now, by me changing the angle of the tree, the potting angle, it will make the tree look a lot stronger. Because right now it's leaning back and it's leaning out of the picture. So I'm going to bring it back into the picture. So before we get started, I'm going to give you guys a 360 view of the tree, and then we're going to get started, okay? Alright, so this is the new pot. I think it's a beautiful pot. This is a YIXING pot, or YIXING, however you say that. And then what I did is I took the canvas, which is this one, and I just cut squares out. And this is plastic. And then I just used a wire, and I bent it in half, and I just pushed it through the screen like that, and then bent it the screens at the bottom to keep the wires from the screens from moving. Okay. The wires, I ran them across like this, not like this. Okay, I ran them across like that, and this is what it looks like on the inside. I just wrestled the tree by myself into this pot, which was quite a mission. So I brought the back up a little bit because it was leaning too far that way, and it was kind of straight in the pot. So what I did is I twisted the whole base this way, clockwise, and I brought this big base forward a little bit so that you can see more of this, and it gives you more of a power down here. I think it looks great with this size pot. So what I'm going to do now is I use our all-purpose soil mix, the same as always, which is the pumice, lava rock, charcoal, expanded clay, and turfus. And I use this right now for the back because I want to bring the back of the tree up a little bit. And as you notice, I haven't even begun to tie the tree down just yet. So I'm waiting to put the tree into position, and I'm going to use only soil for that. And I prop it up, and once it's set and I like where it is, that's when I'm going to start to tie it down. Okay, so Now I am very pleased with the turnout of this tree. I can tell it's beautiful. This is now the main trunk, the apex, and I'm gonna have different branches. And in a couple of years, once it's a little more defined, it's gonna be a really beautiful tree. The one thing to keep in mind in bonsai is bonsai just takes time, and this is a really old tree, had its first styling done just now, so the next styling is going to be a little more detailed, and hopefully we get to see more of a tree in the future here. The only thing left here to do is to keep the tree in a shaded area, which it already is, and I'm going to water it every single day as soon as I wake up, or at 8 a.m. as we do with all the other trees. And then after the 2 weeks, I'm going to deliver the tree back to my customer, and then he can put it out into full sun. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned a little something at the same time as well. If you guys have any questions, please leave your comments below, and don't forget to subscribe, okay? See you guys next time.